Hi, and I am back with another video. As you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a purse slash bag collection for you guys. Keep in mind that some of these bags are old, some of them are newer. It's just all of my purses and bags that I have and that, you know, I wear with certain outfits and different things like that to match what I'm going for. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And be a part of the fam. But I'm not gonna ramble too much. I'm just gonna get right into the video. This first bag that I got, it's like a little Dior dupe. I think it's so freaking cute, y'all. I forget where I got it from, and it doesn't have the tag in the inside, but it's so cute, so elegant, so simple and classy. I love this bag. This next little bag, I think I got from Forever 21 a while ago. I needed it for like this cowboy themed party or whatever, hosted by one of the frats at my university. And I got it. I'm gonna insert a picture so you guys can see. But yeah, this little pink, simple, cute little bag. Not too big, not too small, just enough to fit like all of my necessities in. So that's this one. This one is definitely from Forever 21. I remember getting this, I believe it was on sale. They had it in both the white and the black. I've gotten so many compliments on this bag. It's such a staple, especially for summer. I believe I have pictures where I wore this bag as well. And I'll probably insert those. But yeah, this one is from Forever 21. This one, also another like classic leather bag, more for a sophisticated look. I actually bought this my freshman year of college. One of the girls at Market Wednesday was selling it, and I grabbed it because I didn't have a bag like this. It gives like this little leather feel. And yeah, I've had this for a couple of years. This is one of those bags that will last me a long time as well, because this is not something that you wear every single day. So that's this one. Then I have this little cute bag. I believe I also got this from Forever 21. It's so cute, very tiny. I remember I was going through a phase, I probably still am in that phase, where like the smaller bags were in, just for fashion, not to really carry much. It's probably big enough to carry my phone, my ID, and stuff like that. If you're going out, going to the club or something. And so, yeah, there's this little small one. I don't carry this around as much either. But that's that. This is my Michael Kors wristlet. I've had this for years as well. This, I can tell you right now, I did not buy. This looks like something my mama bought. But I've had it for so long, I can't really remember, but more than likely it was her. And yeah, I used to carry it a little bit more often. I don't carry it as much anymore. I can't even think of the last time I carried this. But it's just a staple. It's a nice size. Larger than the normal little wristlet. But yeah, thanks mommy if you're watching. And then here's this little, I guess little clutch bag that I got. I remember exactly where I got this from. I got it from like the 88 shoe store back at home in West Palm. If you know, you know. But it has this little thing. Ooh. And I think I just broke it. Oh no, I didn't. But yeah, y'all, it has the straps, or you can tuck them in and then just kind of do like that. And yeah, this is one of those bags, like, if I don't want to carry like a tote type deal or a across the shoulder, something that I can carry in hand, you know, something for more of a classy event. This is a DKNY. What do you call them, y'all? What's the word? Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's what this is. I wore this one time and I bought it for grad bash my senior year. I'll insert a little picture. I didn't have many good pictures from that night, but I'll insert a little picture to show y'all how I wore it. Damn, what do y'all call those? What do you call these? Not a... whatever. Y'all know. But yeah, that's this. Y'all, look. Oh my gosh. But yeah. That's so funny. I was young tonight. Then we have another Michael Kors going across the shoulder. My dad bought this for me one year for Christmas. And I've had it ever since. Not me looking through to see if I can find. Y'all know how y'all leave money in y'all bag. Listen, I'm looking, okay? But yeah, I've had this for years. My dad bought this one year for me for Christmas. So thanks, Pops, if you're watching. Then there's this little wallet thing. I've had this for years as well. I couldn't tell y'all where I got it from, but there's this. Here's another handy dandy Michael Kors. This is one of the ones that I would say I would carry pretty frequently when I'm in the mood. It is, my mom would disagree, but it's one of those everyday purchases for me. Like, it's something that I can just throw across my shoulder and go. But this was hers. I started wearing it and I just never gave it back. So that's this. This is a little Clinique bag that I've never used, never worn. It probably came with something that I purchased, probably a fragrance or something. This little cute one is from Forever 21. I think I've worn this with plenty of things. You have the strap here, you can put it like this. It's one of those really small bags that you can simply just wear when you're going out. Big enough to fit the necessities, your phone, your keys, etc. This I bought not too long ago actually from Shein because I bought some lavender, like light purple, lilac kind of wedges from Torrid. And I had an idea of an outfit in mind, and I was like, I'm gonna need like a bag to go with those shoes. I also purchased some earrings, and I think I got some shades in the same color. This, you guys probably have seen on my Instagram. If not, go follow me at Tanaya Vibes _ Vibes with a Z, or at Totally Tanaya _ But this is on my Insta page. I wore this to my older cousin's birthday party. And yeah, I'm gonna insert a picture. But in terms of where I bought it, I don't know. But I know when I bought it. This is what I was gonna wear to prom. This bag I was gonna tote my senior year of high school. But I ended up toting another bag, and I never took it back. I kept it. And the picture that I'm gonna insert, that was my first time ever like carrying this bag. This little thingy right here is so freaking cute, y'all. I have, see, you have the little strap, or you can just tote it like this, and you open it like that, and yeah, this is so cute. I think this is one of my faves, especially for going out. The details, it's cute. And I believe I got this from probably that shoe store from back at home. Yeah, so cute. Love it, love it, love it. Then here's this little navy blue one. Same thing with a strap, very small, from Forever 21 in navy blue. I think it's so cute, so simple. You can just hold it like this. I have yet to actually carry this, y'all. Put down some ideas below what kind of outfit I should wear this with. Because I have just not carried it. So yeah. I have this big satchel, is what they would call it, with a little pink bow. I've had this for so long, y'all. I honestly can't recall where I got this from. This is something that I would carry every day, especially in the summer. It's big enough for me to throw everything in. So, yeah, that's this. Now, this is the little wristlet that I did end up carrying to prom, instead of the other one. I'll insert a picture, but yeah, that's this. I'm having deja vu. And then my old wallet and lanyard, Vera Bradley, I had stuffed in here. And this, wristlet actually comes from Charlie's. That's where I got this from. I think they closed it down in my in the mall back at home. But yeah, that's where this is from. Next, I just have this little wallet, this Kenneth Cole wallet. Something like this I probably got from like Burlington or something, but I'm totally not sure. But there's that. Simple. Next, I have this little sorry y'all, I'm going through it. Next, I have this little wristlet thing. Super cute for like fall, winter time. I can't recall where I got it from. I just know why I got it, and it was fall or winter time because it looks like it'll like pair good with anything. It has that little fur material. So cute. I believe I have carried this. I'll insert a picture for you guys. Next, I just have this huge tote, not huge, but medium-sized little tote. I don't too much wear this like day to day. This is something like I would carry for school if I'm tired of my backpack and stuff like that. This is from Forever 21, I believe. And yeah, that's that. Standard black, can go with anything. This Michael Kors small tiny backpack is actually my mom's. Something something else I kind of permanently borrowed. But yeah, this is something I love. I can stuff stuff in here and throw it over my shoulder when I don't feel like carrying a tote or putting anything like across my body. Just pull this out. I love this bag. Y'all, look how freaking cute. This I know for a fact is from Forever 21. Genuinely got this just so I could have a cute summer bag. I don't even think I've worn it yet, y'all. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it, but I don't think I've worn this yet. Oh yeah, I have, because there's something in there. Super, super cute. Very summery, spring, green. I love green against my skin tone. So pretty, so beautiful. I think this is one of my favorite bags, to be honest, that I have. And here's another little winter tote. Not tote, but like, yeah. Definitely got this from Forever 21 again. So cute, soft, perfect for fall, winter. I have carried this multiple times, so I will insert a picture as well. But this is from Forever 21. This cutie is from Aldo. I got this 1 year for Christmas from my mommy. I have worn this multiple times as well. I believe I have pictures with it. I will insert those, of course. But yeah, super cute. Gold detailing, strap. I love, love, love this. Here is another small one, of course, gold detailing. Cute, only for necessities, definitely for going out. In the color pink. I probably got this from Forever 21 as well, but I'm really not sure about this one. But it's so cute, y'all. So freaking cute. And I have worn this multiple times, and I'll insert a picture. Last but not least, we have this Coach backpack, you guys. So cute. Very, very good quality, good material. Not big enough for me to carry for school. I figured that out because I tried. But my mom bought me this one not too long ago. Probably like a couple years ago. And yeah, I've just had it ever since. Very good quality, very good material. You have a little pocket in the front, some pockets on the inside. It's not too big, not too small. It's like a medium size. Yeah, so I love this. I don't carry it too much, but it is one of those staples within my bag collection. That wraps up my purse slash bag collection haul, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, some of these bags are a little bit older, so I'm not sure if the stores still have them, or even if some of these stores are still open. Like Charming Charlie's, I believe, isn't even still open anymore. But those are all of my bags that I have. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love, love, love you guys. Thank you guys for all of the support, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.